The TOWOND 120-inch outdoor projector screen is a versatile choice for both indoor and outdoor entertainment, thanks to its durable polyester milk silk fabric that offers a clear and vivid viewing experience. Its opaque black backing is designed to prevent any backlight interference, ensuring that the projected images remain sharp and retain their true colors. This screen is foldable, anti-crease, and even washable, allowing for effortless maintenance and storage, which makes it ideal for frequent movie nights or presentations. Weighing only 9.7 pounds, the screen is highly portable and can be easily packed into its lightweight carry bag, making it perfect for on-the-go use. Setting up this projector screen is hassle-free with its user-friendly design, including a detachable crossbar and a tripod that opens swiftly without any tools. The screen's enhanced stability features, such as grounding spikes and windproof ropes, ensure it remains steady even in windy conditions, making it reliable for outdoor events.